Hello and welcome to the Chop Busters, where you'll get a quick rundown of the 20 newest tools on Amazon and what makes them stand out for smarter, easier projects. The cordless leaf blower delivers strong, efficient airflow with its high-speed motor and axial turbofan design. It includes two 21 volts, 4.0 ampere batteries for longer runtime, and a fast charger for quick resets. With up to 630 cubic feet per minute and 160 miles per hour, it easily clears leaves, dust, and light snow, and the constant speed knob allows comfortable, continuous use. This laser distance meter measures up to 393 feet with high accuracy and supports distance, continuous, area, volume, and Pythagorean functions. Its large backlit LCD screen is easy to read in any position, and an electronic angle guide helps with leveling. It also stores up to 100 measurements for quick access. The Drywall Cutter uses a 20-volt brushless motor, reaching up to 30,000 revolutions per minute for fast, efficient cutting, and it pairs with a 2.0 amp-hour battery that charges in about 50 minutes. Its detachable dust shroud and vacuum port can capture up to 98% of debris, keeping the workspace cleaner. The dual scraper knife combines an 18mm snap-off blade for clean cuts with a sharpened scraper blade for removing silicone residue. Its ergonomic two-component handle offers a secure, comfortable grip, supported by finger grooves and a safety feature that prevents both blades from extending at once. PENWELD A offers a flexible rotating connection, improved hose design for easier handling, and a service-friendly junction box. It provides application-specific versions and maintains steady welding performance through precise temperature control. The NoCry clear safety glasses offer strong wraparound protection in a light, adjustable design. Their advanced lens coating reduces fogging and scratching while keeping vision clear, and they block 100% of UV rays for dependable use in work, lab, medical, and shooting settings. The MOSSY OAK Multitool is built from durable stainless steel with a smooth, comfortable 3D hollow design. It features a self-locking mechanism for quick, secure use of its 21 functions, including pliers, cutters, knives, saw, file, screwdriver set, and more. The Lithelli electric lawn mower runs up to 30 minutes on a 4 amp-hour battery and uses a 16-inch deck with a quiet, efficient brushless motor. It offers 6 cutting heights, improved airflow for better grass collection, and a foldable handle for compact storage. With no gas or oil required, it delivers easy, low-maintenance mowing. The compact hand vacuum is an ultra-light, powerful cleaner built for quick daily messes. It delivers class-leading suction for its size, runs on 2 USB lithium batteries, and stays ready with a convenient docking station. With included upholstery and 2-in-1 crevice tools, it easily handles cars, couches, stairs, and tight spaces. This door hinge jig creates clean, professional hinge mortises for both round corner and square corner hinges, fitting hinge sizes from 3 inches to 5 inches. It is easy to set up with adjustable guides for hinge length, hinge thickness, and corner style, plus a built-in depth gauge and a self-centering hinge bit for accurate screw placement. These 9-inch reinforced bimetal reciprocating saw blades come in a set of 25 and are designed for fast, smooth cutting through nail-embedded wood. Their dual metal construction, heat treatment, and protective coating give them high durability and a longer lifespan than standard carbon steel blades. This impact wrench delivers up to 900 foot-pounds of torque with a durable brushless motor and a tough 1/2-inch tungsten steel anvil. Smart protections guard against heat and overload, while an auto brake adds control in reverse. 3-speed settings cover light, standard, and heavy fastening tasks. This cordless drill driver offers drilling, hammer drilling, and screw driving with 21 torque settings and a 13mm auto-lock chuck. It provides up to 45 Newton-meters of torque and 2 variable speeds for work on wood, metal, plastic, and light concrete. The ROSCALE 150 is a compact, accurate refrigerant scale designed for professional refrigeration and air conditioning work. It supports wireless control through an iOS or Android app, offers multiple display units, and automatically enters standby to extend runtime. This hydraulic rebar cutter delivers fast, powerful cuts in about 1 to 1.5 seconds, handling 4 to 16 millimeter rebar. Its durable CR12 MOV blades ensure precise, long-lasting performance, while the hydraulic drive keeps noise low with no sparks or dust. One-button operation and an ergonomic handle make it easy to use. This 16.5-inch surface cleaner works with 2,000 to 4,000 psi pressure washers to clean patios, driveways, and other large flat areas quickly. It includes 2 extension wands and 2 replacement nozzles, while dual rotating jets deliver fast, even cleaning with a 1/4-inch quick connect setup. This utility scraper knife features a lightweight 6061T 6 aluminum handle with a secure TPR grip for tough or slippery jobs. Its precision carbon steel blades safely remove paint, grease, and ice from ceramic, glass, and tile surfaces without scratching. A textured anti-slip design and thumb-controlled retractable blade allow easy one-hand use, while the quick-change push-button system lets you swap blades instantly. The Saw Bench is a compact, portable table saw with a 2,000-watt soft-start motor for smooth, reliable cutting. It offers up to 80 millimeters of cutting depth and a rip capacity that extends to 650 millimeters with the side table, reaching a full table width of 1,025 millimeters. A rigid locking rip fence, aluminum table with T-slots, and chassis-mounted tilt and height controls ensure accuracy and stability. This manual pole saw extends up to 27 feet with 8 sections, letting you trim high branches without a ladder. It includes dual-hook 65 MN steel blades that pull, cut, and clear debris efficiently. The lightweight fiberglass pole is durable and comfortable to handle, with secure metal-threaded connections. The Beta Cross torque wrench designed for tire service, offering 4 preset right-handed torque settings of 90, 100, 110, and 120 Newton meters to cover the most common vehicles. It provides plus or minus 4% accuracy, allows quick torque selection, and uses a 1/2-inch male square drive. All right, tool lovers, that wraps up the 20 newest Amazon gadgets. If your wallet's crying, tell it to toughen up. It's DIY season. Smash that like button harder than a hammer on scrap wood. Subscribe for more tool madness, and I'll see you in the next build before you buy adventure.